We go there first. One more round. There.
You don't like it, I promise.
The song? Yeah, of course. Let's go first there.
Oh, it's because you just want me. Because you just don't hear myself, correct? What are you doing?
Facebook Live.
Let me see.
Yeah, see?
That is not Facebook Live.
No, it's Facebook Live. Whoa, it's drizzling. I think it's going to rain. Oh, come on, let's go. Uh-oh.
You better go now.
Okay, you go straight over there.
No,
Go
I
like
can't.
that.
We're going home.
Yeah, go like that. Okay, later on, you don't wear it. Come and go.
Which would you rather get stuck in the rain or police catch you?
Well, stuck on the rain. And
Then why can't you wear a mask?
we're inside the park.
You-
Go there. Hey, what are you going to do when you see chicken here? Go straight over there.
When I see chicken,
Yeah.
I won't bother them.
Why? Straight.
Straight here.
Yes.
Where exactly are we going home already?
No, not yet.
It's gonna rain in a moment.
No, it's not. It stopped.
It's drizzling.
No, it's not. It stopped.
It is.
Okay, you pause for a while here. See?
It is drizzling, Daddy.
Quiet. Some people are sleeping.
And even though you get shelter from the tree, it's still not enough. See, what did I told you?
It's drizzling a bit.
Soon it's gonna rain, Dad.
How do you know?
Because it is just like it's gonna rain.
Hey, look. I think it's raining now. Or we're gonna be stuck here.
It's because of you, Daddy.
Huh?
It's because of you.
Uh-oh, we're stuck here. Good thing there's...
Trees won't help us. Let's go.
How could we go? It's starting now.
It's because
Hmm.
of you.
Hey, where are you going?
Not around the tree.
Here. The bush is much thicker.
What if a lightning bolts into a tree?
There's no lightning bolt. It's not raining that too heavily. It's just a drizzling. See, stop. Look. See?
It is over there.
No, it's the one's already over here.
No, it is. It's over there. Look.
See, it stopped, right?
It didn't. It's because of you. Now we're stuck here forever.
Yeah, it's so melodramatic. It's not forever. Okay, done. We can go. We can go now. We can go straight to the bridge.
No.
What do you mean no? That's the only way for us to go home.
See, it's even drizzling.
Yeah, it's just a drizzling.
It's your fault.
In the Philippines, we always run
here,
outside when it's raining.
It's not safe.
How do you know? Okay, go. Ooh, look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
No.
Amazing, huh? Why you always have to walk your bike when crossing the bridge?